Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will make the Odissi dance painting. So let's get started. So firstly you have to draw this design on your canvas, or you can also use your A4 size sheet. And now let's start with the painting part. So in this whole painting we will do the shading and the mergings. First we will apply the base color, and then we will take the darker tone and then do the mergings with it. And make sure to take a clean brush while merging. And we have to apply the dark color, or we have to create the depth effect wherever it is going deep, or we have to show the shadow. And we will outline with the burnt sienna. Make sure to not use the black color in this, because this is a realistic painting, and in the realistic painting black color is really bold, and that is why we use the burnt sienna in this. And we will use black color only in the eye portion. And make sure to take all the bright colors in this painting. And we will make the background very dark and dull. In the background I have used black, Persian blue and sap green. So if you have any other dark colors, then you can also use that, but make sure to keep a dark background. So for the jewelry portion, you have to apply the diluted lemon yellow color in the whole jewelry and let it dry. Meanwhile it is drying, you can visit my website, which is linked in the description box, and also comment me which art you want to learn next. I will be surely making a video on it also. And if you are looking for the traceables of this painting, then visit the community section. I have posted the traceable there. And now we will come to the jewelry part. So take your crimson color and make the necklace as shown. And now we will make the head jewelry. So for that, dilute your colors a bit and then start making the dots with it. We will make the gajra with the white color, but in this white you do not have to dilute it. You have to take the direct color from the bottle. And now in the same way you have to complete your whole jewelry portion and then let your painting dry. You can also apply a coat of varnish on it once it's ready. So now it is ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.